ukudlala kwaMayilula kwiMamelodi Sundowns is bigger than ukuthi adlale kwiToronto.
Yeah.
Because Toronto ayidlala Champions League.
Yeah.
iToronto ngeke izodlala ama-FIFA Cup tournament as a Champions League win.
Yebo.
Ilokho nje iToronto ngeke iziye ku-Club World Cup.
Yeah, ma-challenger game ngeke iwadlale ilokho nje.
So kahle
even i-Super Cup yangakubo iToronto ayidlala.
So
iSundowns izoqala idlale i-Super Cup.
So kahle uMayilula uthola i-upgrade.
Yeah.
Wasuka la etshe ukuthi kuya ku-Toronto i-upgrade.
Yeah.
Kanti uya-downgrade.
Yeah, uya-downgrade ngokwe-status se-football nangokwe-level of football.
U-downgrade u-upgrade ngemali.
U-upgrade ngemali kuphela.
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonso Wenkabi. You are back to the starting 11 bafethu. Nangenjwayelo niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba noSibuda Libuda. Sibuda grand.
Shop kunjani?
Hayi siyaphila bafethu. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngendaba kaMayilula, Cassius Mayilula, cash no deposits. Indaba yakho ukuthi abuyele back eSundowns, abuyele ekhaya. So bafethu, before we get into the video, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at starting 11 XI ku YouTube channel yethu bafethu, la uzosithola khona. Then follow bafethu and subscribe. So bafethu, Cassius Mayilula wahamba is a product eMamelodi Sundowns. Uyena umuntu engasho ukuthi uyi-development player eMamelodi Sundowns. Wa developer eSundowns, wakhulela kwiSundowns.
Yeah.
Yes. So 2022 to 2023 he was a striker kanye noPeter Shalulile. Peter Shalulile ke wengagayelwa mphako lapho wayishisa ngempela ngoba wayeba yi-top goal scorer, ephinde ebe yilokho nje. Kulowo ma-season wayekwazi ukuba ne-player of the season.
Yeah.
Ushasha. Yabo, so waba nama-18 appearances Cassius Mayilula. Then wakwazi ukukora 9 goals plus nama-assist.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure ama-assist amangaki kodwa ama-goals awu-9. So can you imagine uzoba i-striker estate litali kukhona uShalulile esefomini ngalezi yakhathi?
Should 50% conversion rate.
Yes, 50% conversion rate.
Yeah.
And amanye ama-games wayengawastart. Yes. So then wayesedayisa umfana emncane wahamba waya kwiToronto FC, enye team edlala lapho ku-MLS. Yes. So waba nama-5 appearances, wangaba nalo igoli, basebemlona. Remember le indaba ukuthi ahambe kwakhe kwasusa umsindo. Khumbula uHugo Broos ethi uyaphi lo mfana lo agent adlala ngaye.
Yeah, iyenzeka lento la eMzansi. Yebo imali eningi mawudayisa phesheya. But siyona inhlahle yawo wonke umuntu ozohamba ayele afike abe mnandi ngokwe football career. Still kodwa imali uzobe ithola, but in terms of i-performance eteamini, if ingekho that uperform ngalendlela abafuna ngayo, bazozama ama-means ukuthi mhlawumbe uyodlala somewhere else. Yeah, kodwa imali uzobe ithola.
And he was a backup striker because kwakukhona ama-strikers aqhamuka from awu-2, aqhamuka from indawo ihlonishwayo ko-Italy nakephi. So kwawa ama-preferences a-coach, and uHugo Broos wayikhuluma leyo nto leyo. Wathi lo mfana ngeke beze bemdlali, and guess what, he was right.
Yeah.
Bamlona waya ku-Wydad ebizwa uRulani Mokoena. Wafika wadlala ama-games awu-27 or waba nama-goals awu-7. Yabo, kwi-loan. Waseya kwi-Cottridge, waba nama-5 appearances. Bangamthanda shoot azange ekore goal. So ukuya kwakhe eToronto kwaba yi-disaster because ayikho team ezomthenga manje. Remember ukuthenga ko-Europe kumele ube nama-appearances kwi-squad.
Yeah.
And sisazongena kuyona leyo video leyo sichaza in detail ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. So do we think i-move yakhe to come back to Mamelodi Sundowns is a good move for both parties? I think mina for Sundowns good move because baqeda kudedela uShalulile, and most of it bamthola mahhala bayamazi umfana wabo bamdevelopile, they know him, they know ama capabilities akhe.
Yeah, nanokuthi futhi la abe khona ayizange ibe khona i-football career, azange ibe khona i-performance right, indlela yaphambili ngokwebhola kuyena la asuka khona ayizange ibe khona. So coming back to i-team esazodlala i-Club World Cup, ama FIFA games, that it's a step up.
Yeah, so into esishoyo sithi ukusuka kwamayilula kwi-Toronto FC edlala kwi-MLS e-USA eze kwi-Sundowns, it's an upgrade. Yho into esishoyo le.
Yeah, i-upgrade.
Yindaba usho njalo.
Upgrade mangakhi ilokhujana kwi-Toronto. I-Toronto yakayidlala yini i-FIFA competition?
Like Club World Cup.
Yeah, FIFA nje competition. Ila sazodlalwa yi-Sundowns manje against la ilokhujana i-team ezowina kulama continent i2 nale esazowina kwi-America. It's a big game leyo. I-Toronto ike yakhona eNgilandi. Okay, i-Toronto iwinile ni-Champions League.
Yayidlala in-Champions League,
ayidlali. So manje yebi imali ikhona, but la i-exposure ngokwe-level yale country uzophila kamnandi. I-exposure nokuba ama-tournament abukwa wobani ama-tournament le team le isazombuka edlala kwi-Sundowns, ama-European team asazombuka edlala kwi-Sundowns. Kodwa mayelapha kwi-Toronto, why ama-team okanye ama-European teams azombuka? Because iMamelodi Sundowns is famous of playing big tournaments angakaze adlalwe yi-Toronto. Yabo.
So bafethu ukudlala kwamayilula eToronto, ukudlala kwamayilula kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns is bigger than ukuthi adlale kwi-Toronto.
Yeah.
Because Toronto ayidlala i-Champions League.
Yeah.
I-Toronto ngeke izodlala ama-FIFA Cup tournament as a Champions League win.
Yebo.
Ilokhunja i-Toronto ngeke iziye ku-Club World Cup.
Yeah, ma-challenger game ngeke wadlale ilokhujana.
So kahle
even i-Super Cup yangakubi i-Toronto ayidlala. So i-Sundowns izoqala idlale i-Super Cup.
So kahle umayilula uthola i-upgrade.
Yeah.
Wasuka la eje ukuthi kuya ku-Toronto i-upgrade.
Yeah.
Kanti uya-downgrade.
Yeah, uya-downgrade ngokwe-status se-football nangokwe-level of football.
U-downgrade, u-upgrade ngemali.
U-upgrade ngemali kuphela. Of which uma sebuye la usazoyithola imali ezomphilisa izinga elikhulu ngokwala eMzansi. Yes.
So I think ilokhunja siyamazi proven success la ku-PSL uyaziwa ama-team amanye ngeke ngize ngwabali ngoba nginqena inkulumo uwangcwabile kakhulu umayilula.
Yeah.
Khona eyodwa nje engiyaziyo.
That's a best football career ke.
Hayi bengayifuni mfana.
Waziwa ngokuthi wena unabantu bakho obanqumayo. So la uthola khona imali eningi, awunali record lokuthi unabantu bakho abasepocketini bakho kwaziwayo ukuthi uyabanquma.
So I think ku-Sundowns is a needed replacement after a departure kaPeter Shalulile, and usezocompete no-Reiners because uLeon competes namuntu. uLeon is a strike. Usezocompete noLebo Muthiba no-Reiners. Futhi uzocompete no-Reiners because uLebo Muthiba competes namuntu. Bakwi-level yabo bodwa benoLeon. Fika kube uLeon acompete namuntu, labo bazocompete bo-2 uMuthiba naye acompete namuntu.
Ekubeni ingubo zodwa yedwa.
Nanokuthi ngamnaki nanokuthi this is a family environment. Yabo ukhule lapha uyamazi ama teammates, they miss him, babuzumjabulela. It's an upgrade. Yabo, so simfisela inhlanhla uCassius Mayilula, cash no deposits. Siyazi ukuthi umfana right, umfana ongeke uzumbone nje trend ngezinto ezibhedayo. I think futhi culture eSundowns le.
Yeah.
Ukuthi abadlali angeke uzwe nje izinto ezitheni. So
manje singacaphuna ekuthenini abadlali thizeni uma besamhwele abasezuyithola i-national team feature.
Hayi no
So,
no
yeah.
siyeza lapho no bafethu siyabonga nje bafethu ukuthi nisibuke nizinifike lana lokho kusho ukukhulu bafethu kusho ukuthi niyayithanda i-content yethu niyasupporta siyabonga kakhulu bafethu until on the next one danke siyabonga. Why ufuna sibahlinze mfethu singakabahlinzi?